In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for songs on artlist.io. If you're working on a video, podcast, or any creative project, finding the right track quickly makes all the difference. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can repeat it anytime. Start by heading to the stock catalog on artlist.io. This is the central hub where the full music library lives. From the main site, look for the option labeled Stock Catalog in the top navigation and open it. Once you're there, you're in the right place to begin your search. Next, move your attention to the search bar. It's usually prominent near the top of the page. Click into the field to activate it. Think of this search bar as your shortcut to the exact sound you want. Instead of browsing endlessly, you'll tell the library what you're looking for. Now type your keywords. You can search by genre, instrument, or artist. For genre, try clear terms like indie rock, cinematic, hip-hop, or ambient. For instrument, enter words like piano, acoustic guitar, strings, or drums. And if you have a specific artist in mind from the Artlist catalog, type that artist's name. You can use single words or short phrases, and you can combine a couple of terms to narrow your results, like cinematic piano or acoustic folk. Keep your spelling accurate, and use the most common version of a term to get the best matches. If your first idea is too broad, add a second keyword. If it's too narrow, remove a word and try again. You may notice the search bar offering suggestions as you type. Treat these as helpful hints to confirm spelling or discover closely related terms. The order of your words doesn't matter, so focus on clarity over phrasing and keep your query concise. 2 or 3 strong keywords usually work better than a long sentence. When your keywords are in place, press Enter. This triggers the search and updates the results. You'll see a list of matching songs populate almost immediately. If what appears isn't quite right, don't worry. Click back into the search bar, adjust your wording, and press Enter again. Small changes can make a big difference, so try a couple of variations until the results look on target. That's all there is to it. Go to the stock catalog, use the search bar, type genre, instrument, or artist keywords, and press Enter. With just these steps, you can quickly surface tracks that fit your project's style and pace. Thanks for watching, and happy searching on Artlist.io.